Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Thrift and unboxing video number 6. Today we got a bunch of stuff. Hit the thrift earlier today. Found some Heat, North Face, etc. Gonna show you that clip right now. Sorry there was no talking. It's always super busy and it's really awkward because everybody's just like looking at you like, what? Like, what's this guy doing, you know? But anyway, start it off. Before we get into that stuff I got today, I got 2 other North Face jackets. One from 2 days ago, this extreme light yellow, the North Face jacket. That was fire. Got that from Value Village as well. And then yesterday I went and bought off Kijiji this North Face 90s light jacket in the blue colorway. That is dope. And to get into the thrift, first off we got these POLO running style shoes. Dope. Next we got this vintage Eddie Bauer two-tone coat. Also a United Colors of Benetton, all stripage and colored up, little sweater shirt type deal. Crazy. Not sure if these ones are real. They're Windstopper pants. It's got the Windstopper tag right there. Not too sure about the authenticity. Anyway, up next we got a vintage red corduroy Disney store, the big embroidery on the back, awesome. Up next I got a bunch of these are dope, always love finding these. Columbia sportswear sweater, the big embroidery, not that bad condition, size XL, awesome. Got a couple easy Adidas Essentials, a little sweater right there with the stripage on the sleeves. Polo, Ralph Lauren, Harrington coat, all black. Awesome, amazing condition, size XXL. Another North Face jacket. Some guy must have dropped off both of his North Face jackets. We got this black one. No Gore-Tex or anything, sadly. Still a great jacket. We also got this amazing Columbia with the inner vest, which is also reversible. On the inside, it has corn ice on the back of the hood. Not too bad colorway, size large, probably fits a little bigger. We got a nice Adidas shirt, clean. Another one, long sleeve with the stripes on down the sleeves and the embroidered logo. That's dope. Also, a Nike big carbon fiber style text swoosh. That's awesome as well. And last but not least, we have the vintage 1999 the North Face olive green NUPTSE jacket, down, great condition, a little bit of wear here and there on the shoulders, size XXL, fits like an XL, amazing condition, or just a great cop overall. These go for a fortune. Not really, but they are quite rare on eBay. Alright, and up next, getting into the mail for this week or so. I got 2 from last week that I opened late. Sorry, they're already open, but let's check them out. Still some heaters. Got a little bit scammed on this one. It's a vintage Tommy Hilfiger reversible jacket. Supposed to be a flag right around here on the chest. It's not there. It's gone. That's a bummer. Guy didn't even tell me. Thanks a lot. On Kijiji. Whatever. We're over it. Show you the inside. Other side's also fire. Got the color block and the spell out on the back. Great. Thank you very much, kinda. Like half, thank you. Next, also from Kijiji, Ontario, I believe. You hooked me up with this beautiful vintage Polo Sport. Great spell out, minimal cracking, and the patch on the sleeve. Great condition. Awesome. Vintage. Amazing. Can't go wrong. Thank you. Up next, into the packages. We have, one sec. Oh, okay. A shirt, I believe. Aha. Oh yes, this is coming in from Recycled Vintage on Instagram. It's this dope Nike ACG size medium shirt. This one's going to the personal. I already got mine on right there, as you can tell. One of my favorite brands. Love it. Thank you very much, Recycled Vintage. Up next, we have awesome from Depop. Don't remember the name. A dope vintage Tommy Hilfiger. Huge flag. Spell out on the back. Minimal cracking. Amazing. Tommy Hilfiger athletics tag. Size large. Dope. Thank you very much for that. Next. Got a coming in from the Stash House on Instagram. We got this dope Tommy Hilfiger waist towel, huge flag. That's gonna look good up there with everything else. Amazing, great condition. Awesome, thank you very much. Keep going, keep going. Got a small one here. What is this? Mackenzie. All wrapped up. Thank you very much. What is so small? Aha, the scarf. Look at that. Oh, this way. See that? YSL. Yves Saint Laurent. Oh, color blocking. Amazing. Super light scarf. Thank you very much. Has the vintage tags right there. That's dope. Awesome. On we go. We got, what do we have here? Aha! Got these off Instagram. Don't remember the name, sorry, but they're still fire. Vintage Polo Sport. Huge spell out. Awesome. With the RLX on the back. It's got a cycling style to it. Amazing. A little bit of wear, not bad. And another Polo Sport heater. This vintage Polo Sport with the yellow hood, color block striping jacket. Amazing. Thank you very much. Next, we got coming in from, got this one off Depop. Shout out to y'all up there. This vintage Nike huge embroidery on the sleeve, and also another embroidery on the back. This is a hockey jersey size XL. Amazing condition. That's awesome. Fire. Love the colorway. Thank you very much. two more. We'll open this one first and see what we got for the last one. You know what this is. It's another Polo Sport piece, but you're definitely not going to guess it. Oh, there we go. A little note. Thank you so much for the purchase. I hope you love the basket. It is one of my favorite finds. Glad it found another home. Love, Val. Thank you so much, Val. This is amazing. Vintage Polo Sport little basket. Spell out right there. Not too sure. This must be like a promotional thing. No idea where it came from. Still amazing. Gonna add that to the collection. Thank you very much. And last but not least, final package for this video. We got this sweater. Look at that. We got it back. Yay. Somebody returned this off eBay. Woo. Well, anyway, that'll conclude this video. Thank you guys all for stopping by. I appreciate all the love and support you're all showing me constantly. Thank you very much. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. This is Luke Profit for Profit Products, and we'll see you next time. Peace.